Hello guys, welcome back all of you. In this video, I will explain you how to configure P2P cycle. P2P cycle means procure to pay cycle. This is the end user side activities in material management module. So how to perform P2P cycle? Okay. So P2P means P2P cycle, or we called procure to pay cycle. Procure to pay cycle. So in this P2P cycle, there are 6 steps. I will mention you steps with T codes. So first, create material master record. Short form is MMR. So T code we have used for material master record, that is MM01 for create, MM02 for change, MM03 for display, and MM60 for list of materials. So these are the T codes we are using to create, change, display, and see list of materials. Then our next step is create vendor master record. Vendor master record means VMR. Okay. For that, we are using T code BP for create, same BPT code for using change, BP for display, and MKVZ for list of vendor or supplier. Then another step is making a internal document. Okay. Second step is create a supplier or vendor related information. Third step is create a internal document. This is a informal document. This document we will not send to the vendor. Okay. So we will create an internal document for auditing. If a senior employee is coming to visiting and check all the records, all the reporting things. Okay. And through this internal document, we also create a purchase order. So purchase requisition means PR. T code we have used for that ME51N for create, ME52N for change, ME53N for display, and ME5A for list of purchase requisition. Okay. So these are the steps. Okay. We have performed to create, change, display, or see list of purchase requisition. Now we have create Now you go to our sixth step, that is purchase order. Purchase order means PO. What's the meaning of that PO? PO is simply means that it is a legal document or external document. Okay. This document we have sent to the vendor, and after vendor receive this purchase order, and behalf of this purchase order, they will send the material or services to the customer location. Okay. So that we have performed in purchase order. Purchase order is a legal document. Means it is a government authorized document. If let's suppose purchase means supplier is not provide the material on time, then customer can take a legal action on supplier. Okay. So purchase order. So what are the T code we use for create a purchase order? ME21N. Create ME22N. For display ME23N. For change. For display. Sorry, here we have mentioned change. Okay. Now purchase order we have seen by different T codes. First T code is like ME2N. This is for list of purchase order by PO number, by number. Okay. Second ME2L. List of PO by vendor. ME2M. List of PO by material number. Okay. So this way we have seen the list of purchase order. Then our fifth step is goods receipt. Goods receipt means that short form is GR. Goods receipt means after purchase order given to the vendor, then vendor or supplier send the material or company or client premises. Okay. So after receiving information, uh, receiving material or services, customer will post a goods receipt to the vendor. Behalf of that goods receipt post, customer provide a invoice or bill to the customer. So for creating a goods receipt, we use T code MIGO. Okay. So this is the T code we have used for MIGO. After that, our sixth step, that is invoice verification. Invoice verification. Invoice verification means after receiving information. Okay. After receiving material to the customer side. Okay. Then customer post a document, that is our goods receipt. Behalf of that goods receipt, supplier provide a invoice or bill. Okay. So we confirm, we verify that bill. So for verifying that bill, we use T code Miro or Miro. After that, we use T code. Okay. Now, how do we see what are the status of these configurations? Okay. So for that we use, okay. So check status. Check status means what is the T code we have used? ME23N. So this is the T code we have used to check the status. So now step by step we have configure step 1. Okay. So step 1 is create a material master record. Okay. So for that, go to SAP application, enter user ID, and password. Now using T code MM01. Okay. Enter. Here I have mentioned. So let's suppose material I have take material name, that is our 25. Okay, so this is our unique number. Then select a industry, mechanical industry. I choose. Then for configuration, I use raw material. Now select views. For as material management, we have select 4 views. First is basic data one, second is purchasing, third one is general plant data and storage one, and fourth one is accounting one. Then click on organization level. Okay. Here I have enter plant. So SV21. Okay. And location SL01. Click on continue. Here we have entered description. So let's suppose this is raw material related. So raw material 25 is the unit of this material. So I am using each material group 01. Okay. Standard group and base unit each unit wise. Okay. So that way base unit each I have select. After that hit on enter. Now here we have maintained in purchasing view, purchasing group. So for purchasing group, I have selected select 001. Then hit on enter. Here I have not maintained any field. Again hit on enter. Here first I maintain valuation class. Select 3000. After that per unit price. So let's suppose unit price is 10. Enter. Okay. Here you see price control. Price control here is two type of price control. First is standard price, means your price is constant. Always it is constant. And moving price means periodically is price is change. Okay, means decrease or increase. So I have select V, then save it. Hit on enter. A pop-up is coming, that is save it. So click on S. Now you see material was created. Okay, copy and paste. Now step 2. Okay. So my step 2 is create vendor master record. So vendor master record. So for vendor master record, I have used T code /NBP. Okay. Enter. Click on organization. First select grouping. This is SPL supplier MM. Okay. Then select role. Check 6 times 0. Business partner. This is for general data. Here title company. After that name vendor. 25. Okay. Supplier name, enter your SAP user ID. So I have entered my SAP user ID. Then house number, let's suppose 12 and 4 is the house number, street is 12. And postal code, let's suppose for Mumbai I have taken 40055. Then Mumbai I have select country, India, region 13. PO Box 12345. Okay. Pin code, postal code. After that, language, let's suppose in India, English. Okay. So here I have entered a telephone number. Okay. So this is the telephone number. Enter vendor number, vendor email ID. So this is vendor email ID. Select this and paste it. Okay. So this way I have enter general data information about the business partner. Okay. Now check it. Now you see that no address for business partner. Okay. Because I am not saving this address. Okay. So that's why it is showing. When I will save this address, this pop-up is not coming. Okay. So there is no error because it a green message error. Then I have save it. Now you see vendor partner number is generated. Maintain it in KDS file. After that again. Now I have changed this vendor as a business, as a supplier. Okay. So how to change it is a supplier. So for that I have assigned roles. So now it is not saying supplier related roles. Supplier related roles is FLVN00 for company code, FLVN01 for purchasing. Okay. So here we have not seen, okay, that type of roles. For that, this is a display organization. We change into change organization. For that, we create this pop-up. Here you see switch between display and change. Click on that. Now you see available. So first FLVN00. Now click on company code. Here I have maintain company code SVK2. Hit on enter. Maintain GL account or reconciliation account. Okay. So enter 164 times 0. Enter payment transaction. Let's suppose 0. Okay. This is the payment transaction and this is our option. If you want to maintain, then that is your choice. Okay. But in real time, client will give all the information about these all the fields. Okay. So hit on enter and check it. Now we see that data of business partner is error free. Now save it. Again, we have select FLVN01 for purchasing. Click on purchasing, enter PO21. Okay. Enter now order currency. INR for Indian rupees. Okay. And payment term is 003. Hit on enter. Okay. Now check. Now see that data of business partner is error free. Save it. So this way we have configured business partner as supplier or vendor. Now we will go to create or configure a purchase requisition. For that we use T code ME51N. Enter. Here I have maintain enter first. This is header. This is item overview. Document overview of. Through this area I will see all the previous purchase requisition and purchase order. Click on it. After that, it is showing in off mode phase. Okay. So document overview off. Now click on here. Select. Okay. Selection variant. Then here you see purchase requisition, purchase order. Okay. Purchase order you also see. And purchase requisition, that also you can see. So header, here you have maintained a tax related information like text or description like vendor name, delivery point, delivery date. If you record on urgent basis, means you have maintained any text here. Okay. So I have maintained urgent material requirement. Okay. Then go expand item overview, enter material number. Okay. Then quantity, let's suppose 10 quantity. Plant SB21 and PR001. Hit on enter. Now see that automatically all the information are coming from backend. Okay. Now here so can you delivery date be made? If you want to change the delivery date, so that also possible. Okay. I changed the delivery date. Then I will check. Now you see that no message issued during check. Then I will save it. Now you see that purchase number was created. Okay. I have maintained it in my KDS file. Purchase requisition. Okay. Then our next step is create purchase order. So how to create a purchase order? We use T code ME21N. Okay. So for that, we go to SAP window. Here we have enter ME21N. Enter. Here first I have mentioned, here you see NV standard PO. Okay. Always select this one. And supplier number. So what is my supplier number? So business partner is here. Okay. As per supplier or vendor. Enter. Hit on enter. Now you see that purchase organization. So purchase organization is PO21. Then purchase group 001. Then company code SVK2. Hit on enter. Okay, error was removed. Now here I have create enter material. Okay, so for that first I have enter some net price and I create purchase order with the help of purchase requisition. So here you see purchase requisition field. So what is my purchase requisition? This is my purchase requisition. Select it and enter it. Now you see, okay, effective price is 97. Okay, material price is 10. So this way I have created and delivery point is tomorrow's date. Click on item overview. Again click. Now here you see invoice. So here we have maintained T0. Okay. T0 means 0% tax. After entering, hit on enter and check it. There is any error or not. Here you see only warning means it is telling about information about what we have configured. Okay. Now save it. Okay. Now my purchase order is created. Purchase order was created. Maintain it in KDS file. Now my next step is goods receipt. So for goods receipt, I have used T code MNMIGO. So this is the window. Here is check A01 standard goods receipt, R01 purchase order, and GR goods receipt is for movement of material, movement type 101. Now here we have maintained first enter purchase order because we send purchase order to the vendor. So behalf of purchase order we post a goods receipt. So enter purchase order, hit on enter. Now you see where option is automatically coming. In this where option, enter SL01. Okay. And then, okay, this is our storage location and activate the material. Hit on enter. Now check it. Document is okay. Now post it. Now you see that material document posted. Okay. So maintain it. Sixth step is invoice verification. So for invoice verification, I have used T code Miro. Here first I have enter date. So let I use today's date. After that, calculate the text here. So whatever text we have select, all the text are calculate under the business place. Okay. Business place is the organization unit. In this organization unit, companies or government will calculate all the tax related information. So if select business place, here we have enter our purchase order because we have configured with the help of purchase order. Okay. Now you see that balance is coming away. Before that balance is 00. Now we have maintained a balance from before comma. Okay. Without decimal. For that one. Okay. So means before comma, that is 1.000. So without decimal we have used the number. Hit on enter. Now you see that error was removed. Okay. Now we simulate it. Here you see this is our GL account. In this GL account we have maintained, this is our vendor number, this is our amount, this is our tax credit T0. Now post it. So this way we have create or verify a invoice. Now our 7th step, check the status. Check status. So using T code, okay, /n ME23N. Here I have select my purchase order. Here you see other purchase order. Click on it, enter my purchase order, hit other document or hit on enter. Both options are available. Now you see, go down here you see purchase order history. Expand it. Here you see goods receipt. This is the number and invoice receipt. This is the number. Both the status are coming. Here you see price, quantity, unit, all are coming. Okay. Now if you want to see status, so in status, here you see material was ordered, material was delivered, material was invoiced. So all the things are configured end to end. So I hope you will understand, okay, all the things. Okay. So all the best, everyone. Thank you.